30th September 1993. While the world slept, the Mother Earth momentarily woke up before the break of dawn, and with her single monstrous yawn swallowed 1,000 futures. More than 10,000 people died in the devastating earthquake that hit the Marathwada region of Maharashtra state. In Latur and Usmanabad districts, thousands of families became homeless. These are the faces of the survivors of nature's fury. They are the children now being looked after by Bharatiya Jain Sangatna.
पहाटेच्या वाजता भूकंप झाल्यानंतर ते झोपडीच्या कडचा खिळगा पडल्यानंतर मला इथं लागलं. मी उठलो आणि पाहतो तर सगळीकडे धूळ उडलेली, हे जण का बॉम्ब पडल्यासारखं वाटलं. नंतर मग मी आमच्या घर बाजूलाच होतं जवळ. त्याच्यानंतर आमच्या वडिलाचा आवाज आला ऐकू. सर्वजण आमच्या घरातले अडकलेले होते मध्ये. मग मी आमच्या घराकडे न जाता दुसऱ्याच्या घराकडे गेलो. दुसऱ्याच्या घराकडे गेलो तिकडे काय सुधारणा झालं मला. मग आमच्या वडिलाच्या आवाज आल्यानंतर मी आमच्या घराच्या दिशेने गेलो. आमचे वडील असं भिंतीच्या कडला झोपलेले होते.
This young boy recalls the traumatic experience. He says, there was a terrifying rumbling sound. The whole world was shaking. Our house collapsed. For me, it was a miraculous escape. But my father, mother, and little brother were buried under the debris. There was total chaos all around. Everyone was scared and confused. I called for help. Some people came and finally succeeded in rescuing my family from the rubble.
When I and my parents were first sleeping in my home, then we heard a strange shout. Then we were very frightened and woke up and came out from my home, and I asked my friend that what is it. Then my friend said to me, it is an earthquake.
When I heard big rumbling sound, I was afraid. I could not go out because the wall was fell on me.
My father is pulled me.
I saw the people were crying, shouting, and running everywhere.
Many people died in the earthquakes. I lost my nephew.
I didn't remember what happened that time.
It was natural trouble fell on Maharashtra.
1,001 selected destitute children were brought to Pune, Pimpri Chinchwad area for their complete rehabilitation by Bharatiya Jain Sangatna. Will he ever get his dream home again? The Pimpri Chinchwad Municipal Corporation immediately came forward and made a massive building available for schooling and residence of the children. While teaching the children, special emphasis is laid in preparing them for English language examination.
पहा आपल्याला आता प्रकरण नवे पाहिजे त्याच्यामध्ये क्षेत्र आणि क्षेत्रफळ. आता या ठिकाणी प्रथम आयत काढणार आहे. सर्वांनी बघा, प्रथम आयत काढण्यासाठी आपल्याला पट्टीचा वापर करावा लागेल.
The medium of learning is Marathi, and special attention is given to subjects like mathematics.
लांबी गुणिले रुंदी, लांबी गुणिले रुंदी. आता या ठिकाणी बघा, लांबी किती आहे? 5 सेंटीमीटर. रुंदी किती आहे? 4 सेंटीमीटर. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी बघा 5 सेंटीमीटर गुणिले 4 सेंटीमीटर बरोबर 5 चौक 20 सेंटीमीटरचा वर्ग.
अन्न, वस्त्र आणि निवारा याच्या गरजा आहेत. जीवनावश्यक अशा वस्तू आहेत. या वस्तूची पूर्तता न होणे म्हणजे दारिद्र्य.
A lesson in economics. Here, the teacher is explaining the reasons for unemployment and poverty.
प्रचलित वेतन दरावर काम करण्याची इच्छा असून सुद्धा व्यक्तीकडे शारीरिक क्षमता, बौद्धिक पात्रता या सगळ्या गोष्टी आहेत, परंतु तरी सुद्धा तो काय करू शकतोय? काम करण्याची इच्छा असून सुद्धा त्याला काम मिळत नाहीये. जीवनावश्यक वस्तूंची पूर्तता करण्याची क्षमता नसणे म्हणजे दारिद्र्य. पण जीवनावश्यक वस्तू म्हणजे कोणत्या?
अन्न, वस्त्र आणि निवारा.
बरोबर आहे. अन्न, वस्त्र आणि निवारा. अन्न, वस्त्र आणि निवारा या गरजा पूर्ण करण्याची क्षमता नसणे म्हणजे दारिद्र्य.
ते वजन घेणार आहे. हे पहा. आता मी या ठिकाणी हवेतील वजन घेतलेले आहे. किती आहे वजन? वाचून दाखव जरा मला किती आहे बघ.
There is a well-equipped lab where children can carry out various experiments in physics, chemistry, and biology. The teachers are well-trained and highly motivated.
मगाशी आपण बघितलं मेणबत्ती विजते, परंतु ही मॅग्नेशियमची फीत आता जळत राहिली.
त्यांना आपण उत्तम कार्याचे म्हणतो. उत्तम वर्गीकरण 5 वर्गात केलेले. बघा, प्रथम आहे पक्षी वर्ग, दुसरा आहे उभयचर वर्ग, चर्म अभिचर्म आणि दुसरं आहे चर्म. त्वचेचे कार्य बघ. त्वचा ही उष्णतेचे नियमन करीत असते. म्हणजे आपल्या शरीरातील जे तापमान असतं
The students take keen interest in learning. Shantilal Mutta, the guiding force behind Bharatiya Jain Sangatna, is a pioneer in many ways. This amazing young man took the bold decision of rehabilitation of over 1,000 destitute children from the rural earthquake-hit area of Maharashtra. With full confidence, he has undertaken the difficult task of these unfortunate children's physical, social, and psychological rehabilitation. He is in constant touch with them and personally looks after their well-being. This rehabilitation costs Bharatiya Jain Sangatna about ₹5 lakh per month. By the time the youngest child completes the graduation, the total cost would be around ₹7 crore. Shantilal Mutta is quite sure that he will successfully complete this gigantic task with help from world community. Daily preparation of food for 1,000 children is no easy task. They get the best that is available in the market. The store is well stocked and properly maintained. The food is wholesome, balanced, and nutritious. It is the team of selfless, dedicated voluntary workers who takes full interest and responsibility in running the rehabilitation program. They are the pillars of Bharatiya Jain Sangatna. The library is well stocked and children are encouraged to read good literature. Physical training. Coordinated group physical exercise inculcates a certain discipline. Remember, these are earthquake-hit children from rural heartland of Maharashtra, now living in a modern urban city. The children are now well trained in road safety patrol or RSP drill. Just a couple of months ago, this boy had totally lost direction of his own life. Today, he is trained and gives direction to urban people's life. This school of the earthquake-hit children has won the first prize as the best RSP unit in the area. A vigorous game of kabaddi. Who knows, they may grow up to be state or national champions. A friendly tug of war, enjoyed by everyone. A regular practice of yoga, along with the body, it strengthens the mind. This rehabilitation program is probably unique in the whole world. It looks at the totality of the situation and aims at developing a complete human being.
Low. In. Up. Up. Rusted. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Students said that they were in the so are eaten into.
Special night classes are conducted for those children whose comprehension is less or slower than normal.
See. Sit down. Then next, right down, next. Next sentence.
The children are talented and are encouraged in performing arts. He is singing